Gillingarra is located along the Midlands Road, not far north of Moogamba. It's pretty much a blink and you'll miss it place, and consists only of a church, a sport ground and a house or two. The name seems to come from an Aboriginal word that I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce, but I'll put the written version below so you can see it. The meaning is thought to be place of bones. This came about when a young man and a young woman eloped from their tribe and were caught and speared. This seems to be a pretty common cautionary tale amongst the Aboriginal tribes. The land here was leased for grazing in 1848 and was taken over by the monks of New Norcia in 1886. Nearby Landmark Hill was surveyed by Alexander and John Forrest when they led an expedition to the area in 1874. In 1893, land was sold in the area to help the Midland Railway Company build a rail line. The railway opened in 1897 and carried freight and passengers. The last passenger train ran in 1975, and since then it has been exclusively used to haul freight. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church and School opened in 1907, but was later lost due to a fire. A second school was opened in 1938 and closed in 1998. A hall was constructed in 1936 and later expanded. Today it has become part of the Recreation Centre, which opened in 1986. St Paul's Community Church opened in 1978 and sits close by to the Recreation Centre. BirdLife International has identified the area as an important bird area, where the endangered Carnaby's black cockatoo breeds and a number of other bird species thrive. The recreation facility is available for travellers in motorhomes and caravans as an overnight stop. There's a small fee charged and flushing toilets are available.